Hi, everyone. I'm Vikram, and thank you for listening in. In the next few minutes, let me take you through the work that we at Credible have done in price risk management. Well, first of all, let's take a second and imagine the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of farm risk. Most of us will think of production risk, pest, disease, natural calamities, etc. And this explains why most of risk management solutions are focused on production aspects. An equally important but often neglected risk is that of price. For example, take the fate of maize prices in India in the last few months. Even though it was a good production year for reasons such as COVID and bird flu, the farmers still ended up with far below average prices. It's time we created tools and solutions to help smallholder farmers manage their price risk. The solutions to manage price risk actually already exist, and they're frequently used by large agribusinesses. I'm talking about commodity derivatives in the form of futures and options. There are some bottlenecks though. Farmers are not well informed about the benefits of hedging. To sell using futures and options, they need a minimum quantity. So individually, a smallholder farmer won't qualify. It has to be a collective effort. They often lack money to pay for the participation. They need technical know-how. They need support with questions such as how to participate in the exchange, when to enter, when to exit a contract. An example of how we are trying to connect farmers to commodity markets is our partnership with Access Development, one of India's largest development organizations. Together with Access Dev, we are launching a risk management tool that helps farmer collectives who produce maize lock in a price a few months ahead. The project scope is two farmer producer organizations or FPOs and involves around 15,000 farmers. The tool is now being tested and will go live in March end. Another example is where we've partnered up with Rabo Foundation and Arya Collateral, a leading warehouse provider in India. Arya Collateral and Rabo Foundation are providing a price risk mitigation tool to farmers, and Credible is providing the technical support in order to launch this tool. The project is launched for at least 6 different commodities in 4 states in India. The project will go on for both the winter and the monsoon seasons. We are right now in the piloting phase of the tool and will look for scaling up from monsoon season onwards. Our business model will always be about partnering up with value chain players because we believe price risk management cannot be a standalone product. It goes hand in hand with services such as storage, hand in hand with services such as marketing. So what does this tool do? It simplifies the decision-making process behind price risk management. The tool provides the user an overview of how much risk they face based on their crop and the market situation. It also shows how that risk can be managed. For example, what is the right time to enter? What is the quantity to be hedged? What is the choice of contract to take? Once the hedge is executed, the tool monitors and alerts the user when to execute. A little bit about the team, because at the end of the day, that is the true competitive advantage we have. We have a good mix of domain specialists and data science expertise. Our team consists of experts who have previously worked at organizations such as Rabobank, IFAD, GIZ, and commodity exchanges. Besides technical skills, we are experienced in actual implementation, which is where most projects fail. So summing everything up, why do we deserve to win? Well, first of all, it is the scale of the problem that we are attempting to solve. Price risk affects most smallholder farmers across the world. Secondly, we've demonstrated traction. And finally, our tool is very scalable to other commodities and countries. If we do win, we shall utilize the award money in further development of the tool. Once again, thank you for listening and look forward to the session on the 19th.